A lovely good morning to all of you guys. Hi, it's Arman Khan, and today I'm going to state here a few lines about how to make money. Let's start a topic. There is a lots of platform you to make money, just like there is a lots of way to make money, just like Instagram, social media, just like you just social media, you just pick up YouTube. With the help of YouTube, lots of people are earning more money. Lots of people are earning money with the help of YouTube. If you want to make money, you just post any type of video in YouTube. Just like blogging, just like lots of people are doing anything. He just make a short video and post in YouTube. With the help of short video, he just earning money day by day. He just earning 10 lakh, 1 lakh to 10 lakh, 10 lakh to 10 crore. That's a lots of money, guys. 10 crore, that's a lots of money with the help of YouTube. You just see the last year, that's a very famous YouTuber name is Mr. Beast. He's a millionaire, guys. He's a millionaire with the help of YouTube. He's get millionaire with the help of YouTube. And second, in India is a very famous YouTuber. In my mind, there is a very famous YouTuber, Carrie Minati. You just Carrie Minati, Bhuvan Bam, and Around to Hell. That's a very famous. He is earning money. They are earning money with the help of YouTube, with the help of that content. They provide us a good content, and we are watching that. We are watching that with the help of us. With the help of us, they are making money day by day with the help of us, guys. And second platform is Instagram. You just see that Instagram, with the help of Reels, lots of people are earning money. Just like you just say that, just like a chapri peoples are making cringe content, and we are watching and we just like it. And we are watching and we just like it. With the help of likes, with the help of views, he just earning money, guys. With the help of likes and views, he just earning money with the help of like views. And some people are going anywhere and make a reel and post in Instagram. With the help of us, he can earning money. With the help of us, he is earning money. They are earning money with the help of us, guys. They are earning money. Just like you should see that Virat Kohli, he have 266 million followers in Instagram. With the help of his followers, with the help of his likes, with the help of his views, he just take a charge in one photo in one post in Instagram. He just take charge in 14 crore. 14 crore is the lots of money, guys. With the help of famous, when you are getting famous, we just pay your post fee. When you get famous, when you are getting famous, you have a 266 million followers like Virat Kohli. Just example, the Virat Kohli have a 266 million followers, and he takes charge in 14 crore, guys. 14 crore in one post, just for one post. He just take charge in 14 crore. That's a lots of money is providing on Instagram. With the help of Instagram, lots of people are earning money. Lots of ads pay you, just like a Dream 11, Zuppy. When you have a good prediction, you just predict whose player is playing very well on that day, on this day. You just predict that time. You just predict that player. And when you are predicted very well, you are making a Dream 11 team. When you predicted very well on 11 team, you just earn 7 crore. 7 crore is a lots of money, guys. You just earn 7 crore with the help of Dream 11, and with the help of Zuppy. Zuppy is the app. With the help of Zuppy, lots of people are earning with playing Ludo. Lots of people are earning a very money. If you want to speak fluent English, just subscribe our channel. Just subscribe Rising Spoken channel. With the help of Rising Spoken, with the help of Miraj sir, I'm just speaking very well English. When I was fresher, I just don't know how to speak English. When I was fresher, I just know how to speak English, how to speak a single word in English. With the help of Miraj sir, with the help of Rising Spoken channel, I'm in front of you. Just in front of you. Just subscribe our channel. Thank you. Just subscribe our channel.